So here we go with a 2000 Polaris Sportsman. Be swapping these wheels out for some 2018 OEM takeoffs, and we are going to see. Shouldn't take long. Let's see how these end up looking. I think these are these factories are Carlisle AT 489 2510 12s for the rear, and replacing some AT 25 1210s. So a little bit smaller wheel, tire, not wheel, but yeah. So we'll swap these things out. Like I said, my quad is a 2000, and these are 2018 takeoffs that I'm going to be swapping on here. So the bolts pattern should be the same. It scared me for a second as I was popping it on there that maybe something was out of measurement, but they are the same. I think all Polaris quad wheels run the same. So let me zip these on here, swap out that front one, and we should have a good idea of how this is going to look. One in place. I have these old lug nuts for the next little project. And I'm using a 14mm socket on these to pop these off. Do that. Grab these other lug nuts. Pop that thing off. Set it aside. Grab the correct rotation wheel for the right front. Which is this one. Set that one in place. Run these lugs on real quick, and we should have a pretty good idea. I went this route because I needed new tires and got a really good deal on these. Like I said, they're 18 factory takeoffs, and the guy I got them from said that when he bought that Sportsman, it had 93 miles on it. The guy he brought it from said he put 2 or 3 miles on these tires before he pulled them off. So these are essentially brand new tires and wheels. So definitely a whole lot quicker than taking the wheels and to the tire shop and have them swapped out. I think they look all right. So again, 2000 swapped with a 2018 wheel, and they are the same bolt pattern and same thread. So if you get a good deal on them, I'd swap them out. Worked out well in my case.